Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I have a holiday makeup and quick curl refresh. And if you enjoy the video, be sure to hit the like button. And if you're not already, hey, don't forget to subscribe. So with this curl refresh, we're going to start with just misting the curls very lightly. I don't want them too dampened and too, soaking wet. So just a nice little spritz, bring back some moisture. Now I'm going to split my curls in two parts, and I like to begin with the bottom portion with adding product. I'm going to use Shea Moisture products today, and I'm going to start with a nice curl and shine mist right here. Spritz it to my hand and then apply it to my curls. I'm just kind of like wiping it through and just kind of pulling the curls apart a little bit to work it through. I'm not going to rake too much. And then with the mousse, I'm going to get a little more intense with it. I'm going to rake it a little bit more through my curls, and then I like to scrunch it at the ends as well. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and continue to the next side and to the top of my head. Now to keep these curls back and out of my way, I'm going to use a Zazzy band. I will link them down below in the description box for you. And once the curls are back and out of the way, it is time to get festive. Quickly, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes, and once those are nice and primed, everything is blended through, go ahead and set it with a little bit of powder. For my transition color, I'm going to be using a nice medium brown shade, and I'm going to work that into my crease with windshield wiper motions and swirly whirlies. For the shadow on my lid, I'm working first a nice base color, and this is a yellow shade, so I'm going to keep building that until it's really nice and bright. Then quickly blend out the edges. I'm quickly going to pick up the shadow, this beautiful gold shadow from Melt Cosmetics, mist my brush a couple times, and then pack that color on the lid. Once I've packed enough of that shimmer, I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. For foundation and concealer, today I'm using all Neutrogena products. I like to start with half of my face first with the foundation, and I'm going to add the Brightening Eye Perfector, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend everything out, and then continue on to the bottom portion of my face. So then adding more of the foundation, and then I'm also using some of their Skin Clearing Concealer. Skin Clearing Blemish Concealer, and then of course blend that out and then set it. Moving on to contouring, I'm going to focus this into my cheekbones, of course blend it out some, into my temples and across my forehead, also my jawline. I even worked it a little bit down my neck some, and of course the bottom of my lower lip, and contouring my nose. Moving on to blush, one of my favorite fall and winter blushes. Now I wanted to kind of deepen up the shadow on my eyelid, so I picked up a little bit of a darker gold and I worked it on the inner corner, the outer third, and across the crease. For the waterline, I'm going to have a nice nude liner, and then I'm going to take that brown from before and work it across the lower lash line. Time to sparkle and shine. Here I'm adding some NYX glitter glue right to the middle of my lid. Once that is complete, I'm going to pick up some beautiful gold glitter from Sephora and add that right in the center where we had the primer with the pad of my finger. And then once we're all glitz and glam on both eyes, we're going to get more glam. I'm going to pick up some liquid lipstick, and I'm going to add this as my eyeliner, and I'm doing a mid-wing. after the brows, mascara, and lashes are on and the setting spray is done, we're going to highlight. So I'm picking up this beautiful highlight from Milk Cosmetics. I apply it to the inner corner. Then with a brush, I'm going to work it on the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and on my cheekbones. Oh, I love this highlight right now. Of course, sexy, sexy time, the Cupid's bow. Once that's complete, it's time to get the hair nice and festive and ready for some holiday parties. So I go ahead and remove my Zazzy Band, get an elastic ready, and then I like to, when I'm pulling up my hair, just to kind of tame the beast a little bit, tame my curls, I like to add a little water and product to my hands. Then I'm going to smooth it up just a little bit and then work it into a side ponytail. I don't like it right on top of my head. My curls are getting a little bit long, so I like it a little bit off to the side. Then picking up my favorite body and hair oil from That's That Magic, I'm going to go ahead and scrunch out the crunch, and then I kind of like to work, if some of the curls look a little too frizzy, I grab some of the product and just kind of smooth down the curls individually. Once that's complete, I'll go around also the ponytail here and separate any curl clumps. And now that everything is nice and separated, we are going to the lips. And I wanted to have a lot of fun with this, so I picked a really fun green liquid lipstick. Add a little more green sparkle here, and then I didn't have enough sparkle, so I added some highlight. And then I like to dash a little powder on my face to kind of get rid of the shine, nice and matte for me. And then this is our completed look. Thank you everyone for hanging out with me today and checking out this holiday makeup and hair refresh video. So all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, I hope you guys come back next Monday and join me for another video. Take care. Why? Okay, from here, I'm going to, what am I gonna do? No! 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 Oh! No! Oh, I'm so strong, I broke my pan. Oh, so sparkly.